Hey guys, this is Swapna Madhukar and welcome to Sugar Swap. So today's recipe is red velvet cake, which is one of my favorites. And this is a Christmas special cake, which is a gorgeous cake which looks great on its own. You don't even need to decorate it. It looks fabulous with just sprinkling some sugar once it is completely cold. And if you're someone like me who loves desserts so much and you want it at your home, in your kitchen, so this is a very simple, quick yet tasty recipe. So in this recipe, I'm not using cinnamon powder, which everybody generally uses, because I'm not a big fan of cinnamon powder in the cake. But if you love that flavor, then you can of course add a half teaspoonful of cinnamon powder to the dry ingredients while you are mixing the dry ingredients, right? And I'm going to make it in a microwave, which is my microwave is like 1500 watts, and it took 5 minutes for me to bake the cake. So you can check your wattage. It can take less time or more time in your microwave. So let's get started with the red velvet cake. So in a bowl, whisk all the dry ingredients like sugar powder, cocoa powder, flour, salt and baking powder so that no lumps are formed, and just whisk it properly and just keep it aside. In another bowl, take some eggs, oil, buttermilk, not milk, buttermilk, vanilla extract and red food coloring. You can add the food coloring till the time you are getting your desired color, right? And now see, it's beautiful. Just mix the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and whisk them only until they are mixed. Don't over whisk it. And now the texture should be something like this, like it should form ribbons, right? And now just pour it in a microwave safe bowl or a cake tin and bake it for 5 minutes. That's it. 5 minutes is all you need, and it depends on your microwave if it takes more or less. And now see how gorgeous it has baked. Ooh, the toothpick comes out clean. Now after completely cooling, only then start the frosting or icing or even sprinkling the sugar, because otherwise everything will be melt. So just look how gorgeous it looks, and let's just test it. How does it look? Oh, very smooth and very moist cake, and yummy too. If you like the video, then please like, share, subscribe, and whenever I post the videos, if you want to